Wondering to make your own soap bar? Then welcome to Kajal Cosmetics. Hi, I am Kajal. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a soap bar using soap base. Today, we are going to make a coffee scrub bar. You can see this coffee scrub bar smells so divine and only needs 3 ingredients to make. Yes, you heard it right, only 3 ingredients to make this coffee scrub bar. First, you need a soap base. So I am using goat milk soap base. If you don't have goat milk soap base, you can use any other bases available for you. For scrubbiness, I am using grounded coffee. For matching the theme and scenting the soap, I am using coffee fragrance oil to scent the soap. You can use any other essential oil or fragrance oil to scent the soap bar, or else you can skip the part. Now let's make our coffee scrub bar. Ingredients and measurements will be given in the description box. Now let's make our scrub bar.